I recently bought and tested 5 electric cigarette rolling machines, and let me tell you, these gadgets can change the way you roll your own cigarettes. I know how frustrating it can be to waste money on the wrong product, so I'm here to share my honest reviews, saving you time and cash while helping you find the right one. Product number 1, Powermatic 2 Plus Electric Cigarette Injector Machine. When I first got my hands on the Powermatic 2 Plus, I was genuinely excited. The moment I plugged it in, I could feel the power surging through the machine. This isn't just any rolling machine. It's a tool designed with precision and efficiency in mind. The titanium construction felt solid, and knowing it's GMO-free gave me peace of mind about the materials I was using. With a capacity for 100 king-sized or 100mm cigarettes, it's perfect for anyone looking to save some cash. The increased motor speed and improved gear quality were immediately evident. I rolled my first cigarette and it was smooth, packed just right, and tasted fantastic. The 25% more power feature was no joke. I experienced fewer jams than I had with other machines. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the pro side, the Powermatic 2 Plus is incredibly user-friendly. I didn't need to read a lengthy manual, it was intuitive. Its robust build ensures durability, and the design is sleek and modern. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The price might be a bit steep for some, and while I had fewer jams, they can still happen if you're not careful with the tobacco consistency. Product number 2, Powermatic 4 Electric Cigarette Injector Machine. The Powermatic 4 is another solid contender in the electric cigarette rolling machine scene. From the moment I took it out of the box, its compact size caught my attention. At just 6.3 by 4.8 by 1.6 inches, it's easy to store and transport, making it perfect for both home use and trips. The simplicity of its design is refreshing. I loaded my tobacco, pressed a button, and within seconds, I had a perfectly rolled cigarette. The standout feature for me was its efficiency. With over 600 units sold within a month, it's clear that many others have found the same satisfaction. The machine's quiet operation is a bonus. I could easily use it without disturbing anyone around me. However, it lacks some of the advanced features found in the Powermatic 2 Plus, which might leave some users wanting more flexibility. Pros include its affordability and ease of use. It's straightforward enough for beginners, yet effective for seasoned rollers. On the downside, the machine doesn't offer much in terms of customization. There's no option to adjust the density of the cigarette. Product number 3, Powermatic 3 Plus. Now, let's talk about the Powermatic 3 Plus. This is the creme de la creme of electric rolling machines. I was blown away by how advanced this model is. The digital interface made it feel like I was operating a high-tech gadget rather than a simple rolling machine. It has a large hopper that can hold enough tobacco for up to 30 cigarettes, perfect for a gathering or a long night in. The one-button operation is a game changer. Just load the tobacco and watch it work its magic. What really sold me were the customizable settings. You can digitally select your desired tobacco compression, which allows for a personalized smoking experience. And let's not forget the automatic jam protection, which gave me peace of mind. I've had my fair share of jams with other machines, but this one really takes care of that issue. However, it's not the cheapest option on the list. With a price tag of $208, it might be more than what a casual smoker wants to spend. But if you're a frequent user or want that premium experience, the investment is worth it. To sum it up, if you want the best of the best and don't mind spending a little extra, the Powermatic 3 Plus is your go-to machine. It's efficient, user-friendly, and packed with features that elevate your rolling experience. Product number 4, Smoky Joy Electric Pre-Roll Machine. For those looking for something more budget-friendly, the Smoky Joy Electric Pre-Roll Machine is a fantastic option. Priced at just $29.99, I was impressed by its performance. While it may not have the bells and whistles of the Powermatic series, it gets the job done effectively. The design is simple. Just load your herbs into the hopper and you're good to go. It's perfect for beginners who are just entering the world of rolling. What stood out to me was its durability. The powerful motor ran smoothly, and I didn't experience any issues during my tests. Plus, it's versatile. The machine comes with 2 sizes of metal tubes and a cone loader, accommodating various preferences. Cleaning was also a breeze, thanks to the included cleaning probes and removable tube design. On the flip side, while it's great for personal use, it may not be ideal for heavy users, as the hopper doesn't hold as much tobacco as more premium models. In conclusion, the Smoky Joy electric pre-roll machine is an excellent choice for budget-conscious smokers. It's user-friendly, durable, and gets the job done without breaking the bank. Product number 5. HK2 Electric Cigarette Injector Machine. Lastly, I tested the HK2 Electric Cigarette Injector Machine. This machine caught my eye with its sleek gray design, but it surprised me with its features. The digital counter was particularly useful. It kept track of my cigarette production, which is a handy feature for those who like to monitor their usage. The aluminum alloy mechanism felt solid and durable, which is always a plus. The big flip-top hopper allowed me to make around 15 cigarettes before needing a refill, which I found practical. I appreciated that it was relatively quiet while in operation, allowing me to use it without drawing too much attention. However, it didn't quite match the power of the Powermatic machines, which might leave some advanced users wanting more. On the pro side, it's great for anyone who values tracking their usage and needs a reliable machine for home use. However, it might not be the best option for those looking for speed and advanced features. If you're looking for a dependable machine that gets the job done without frills, the HK2 is your best bet. It's affordable, easy to use, and does exactly what it's supposed to do. After testing these 5 electric cigarette rolling machines, I can confidently say there's something for everyone. Whether you're looking for something basic or a high-end model with all the tech, you'll find a great option here. Make your choice based on your budget and needs, and enjoy a smooth and satisfying smoke.